Okay, so what do you think when you see some bread? You probably think about your breakfast or about your lunch. What I think when I see some bread is work. Hard work. First off, you gotta get up early to make the dough. Sometimes you even have to do it the day before. You light up the fire and you start to mold the bread. Then you bake it. And once it's ready, you restart. All over again. You make the dough, you mold the bread, then bake it, again and again. It becomes even meditative. When you know how things are made, it makes you appreciate them even more. It gives a meaning to those things. And it makes you notice that sometimes the most important thing in life is the routine and the little things which comes with it. Like, for example, a simple slice of bread.